one of the reasons that we got into what we're doing is the products that we're offering are industry leading, economically, environmentally. We're just taking that a step farther through the service and the value that we add to our customers. Our mantra as a company is leading the spray foam and coatings industries by creating raving fan clients through superior customer service, quality installations, and continuous reliability. And the reason that we chose those three things is because that's the way that we were raised, that's who we are, and that's the culture that we've developed within our company, Titan Applicators.